Today on the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel, we've got one of our former clients in from Little Rock, Arkansas, Shannon. He brought in his 2016 F250 Powerstroke in to see what it makes on the dyno. Now this truck's equipped with our F1 HP package. Now hang tight. Guys, if you missed last week's video, check out the D3 HP package link here or jump in the description below. Now I'm leading up to this. This truck's equipped with our F1 HP package. He brought it in, why? Because he wanted to make more power. We're going to skip our F2 HP package, that gains you about 20-30 horse, and we're going to go to our F3 HP package. This is a perfect matchup for the L5P Duramax versus this Powerstroke. We're going to be changing out the Factory VGT Turbo to a 66mm S300 kit. Then we're going to play with a little bit more fuel. We're adding an RCD Performance CP4.2 stroker pump. You guys have heard a lot about them, but now we're going to install one. So guys, we're going to the dyno. Let's figure out what our F1 HP package makes. It's dyno time.
Hold. Got a mouthful of M&Ms. The midday snack. I just can't keep up. I just can't keep up. Everybody's pissed. I just can't keep up.
Oil temp's good. We don't know what the intake air temps are, but they're probably 10 degrees.
Yeah, it's cold enough. We're in the wind tunnel.
Philippe, you ready? So we just got off the dyno with our F250 Powerstroke powered by our F3 HP package. What this truck put down, 604 rear wheel horsepower. Equipped with the factory turbocharger, what it put down, 513 rear wheel horsepower. Let's take a look closer at that dyno graph. So guys, we start our dyno graph at 2200 RPM. So the load starts coming in at 2300, and that's where we take off and compare the two. The small green thin line is your factory VGT charger. Did 614. It carried the power pretty good all the way up to our 3000 mark where we shut it down. The non-VGT, we carried the stock fueling all the way over to 3200, and we could have kept going. So what's this bring us to? That the truck has fuel to make the power, it just never had the amount of air that it needed. So with the non-VGT, the 66mm, it gets the job done. We stopped the test there. We could go more, but at the end of the day, we want to make a significant gain and at least 100 horsepower, and that's what this truck put down. So what I think about our F3 HP package, well, I know this, it kicks the factory turbocharger's ass. That non-VGT 66mm S300 kit, guys, it puts the power down and you can see it. You can see from the dyno graph with the stock VGT, there's just no more air. The 66mm drives nice, it spools fast, and it's not smoky at all, guys. That means what's our next upgrade? Put a little bit more fuel to it. Hey, we'll make some big power. Are we after those big numbers? Yes, we are, but this thing's gonna leave here, it's gonna drive, and it's gonna survive. So guys, if you have any more questions or comments about our F3 HP package, drop us a comment below. Make for sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you next week here at Point Blank Performance.
Well, boys,